If you're a human, you've definitely sneezed. But did you know you're packing a built-in air cannon? Let's see just how wild your sneeze power really is. When you sneeze, you're not just making a funny sound. Your nose is sending droplets flying at up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars zooming down the freeway. And get this, a single sneeze can launch over 100,000 droplets into the air. That's like setting off a microscopic confetti cannon, but way messier. Why does your body do this? Well, it's your immune system's way of blasting out unwanted guests, like dust, pollen, or germs. So the next time you let out a sneeze, just remember, you're not gross, you're a high-powered germ-fighting machine. Kinda gross, kinda cool, right? And hey, cover your nose!